Welcome to our training session on harnessing the power of Nexus AI to rapidly develop compelling business content. In this video, we'll demonstrate how you can generate a persuasive business case and professional presentation in under 5 minutes using Nexus. Here's how it works. Step 1. Engage the Nexus AI in a chat and enter your query to develop a business case around your chosen topic. The AI will generate a comprehensive business case tailored to your prompt. This should only take a few moments to generate, as the AI thinks about the best response for you. Step 2. Copy the AI-generated business case into your Nexus notes for later reference and use. Take some time to format and clean the response to make it easier to work with. That's the power of notes. Step 3. Coming back to the same AI chat, ask Nexus to create a presentation outline based on the business case. The AI will provide you with a structured outline for a compelling presentation. Step 4. Copy the presentation outline into your Nexus notes. Again, take some time to format and clean the response to make it easier to work with for later usage. The notes feature supports Markdown formatting and is very compatible with most word processors, meaning your work can be taken out easily. Step 5. Return to the AI chat and ask Nexus to expand on the presentation outline by filling in content for each section. The AI will generate slide content based on the outline. Step 6. Copy the AI-generated slide content into your Nexus notes. You now have a complete presentation ready to be polished in your preferred office suite. In just a few minutes, we've walked through how Nexus enables you to condense an hours-long research and content creation process down to a rapid-fire ideation and outlining session powered by AI. That concludes our whirlwind tutorial. To experience the power of accelerated content creation with Nexus AI, head over to vesanexus.com and sign up for a demo today. The only limit is your imagination.